Hey guys, my name's Tim Watts. I'm the category manager for TMG, and I'm out here at the 52nd annual Moab Easter Jeep Safari. We have a new 2.5-inch prototype kit for the new Jeep JL I'd like to talk to you about. Kit's pretty simple, straightforward. Comes with 4 replacement coil springs, linear rate based on the OE rates. Comes with geometry correction brackets, are really kind of the meat of the kit. And that's this bracket right here, and what that's going to do is lower the rear of the arm and allow you to get caster back in the suspension to maintain a really terrific on-road drive. Also has extended front and rear sway bar extensions, links, as well as front and rear bump stop extensions. One of the really neat things I'd like to show you also is the shocks that we're pairing this thing with. We're working on some standard shock options such as our ES 9000 twin tube hydraulic shock, our Pro Runner series, which is a monotube 2-inch shock, and we've also got some new 2.5-inch monotube shocks that I'd like to talk to you about. These massive babies are 2.5-inch alloy bodies, zinc plated, clear coated, aluminum rod guides, and crossover a piggyback, which is a 2-inch reservoir with a floating piston in the reservoir with a bump zone top and bottom. So what that bump zone does is it allows a free-flowing shock and piston assembly in the shock, so you get a really good ride and movement on the shock. And then as you get to near compression or full extension, you have another piston assembly that kicks in and really slows the shock down so you don't get that harsh top out or bottom out on the shock. That's kind of a quick recap of our new 2.5-inch JL prototype kit, which you will be able to find this at all 4-wheel parts or any good quality off-road retailer across the country, available sometime in May. And one of the best parts, never forget, like all of our products, are backed with the ProComp Promise as well as Lift Shield. Lift Shield is going to give you a 5-year, 60,000-mile drivetrain warranty free of charge. Thank you.